Okay, we're on. Okay. I want you guys to be sitting so that everyone has a partner. So I want you to move up. Eric, I want you to sit here, and James, I want you to move aside. Or no, yeah, you move. You can move back. Or no, Terry, you come up. James, you come sit here.
So I
sit
next to him.
Yeah.
And then they should.
It's okay. All right, now we're going to be doing a bit of group work today. Please tell me the computer's on.
Great.
Oh yeah, this is. I need paper. Where's paper? You hit the lights, Tiffany? Guys, it's just English class, okay? Let's hear English. And
Sure, I have a question.
yeah.
The next class we like go out and then we can't.
Really, guys, I'm telling you right now, it depends on your behavior for this class. I know that it's getting near. This is the last basically class that you have today. But if you're gonna, if we're gonna be really loud and we're not gonna pay attention and be on bad behavior, we're just gonna do another class next period. If you guys show really good behavior during this class, I'll fight for you to be able to either go down in the gym and play dodgeball, or just maybe have free time or something. Okay. But if you're not gonna be nice to me during this class, don't expect me to be nice back to you. Do you guys understand? All right. So we're on page. Okay, this is for the video. Let's get started. We're on now page 636, correct? Yeah.
Do you have like one more? Do you have one like dojo points?
Yeah, I reset, right? Didn't we find out who the winners are? So yeah, I'll reset, and then the new month starts from today. So yes. Just hold on, yeah. We're gonna get going here. Okay. So guys, welcome. Today we're gonna be talking about simplifying algebraic expressions, and the book talks about right off in the beginning. It talks about commutative, associative, and distributive laws. Now if you look here very quickly, you can see that it's not that complicated. Commutative, A plus B is the same as B plus A, right?
Yeah.
With associative, it's more about grouping. So when you're dealing with the associative laws or properties, it's about grouping. So you can see A plus B, there's a group there, and they switched it to a B plus C. But and then with the commutative and associative laws, it works all good and well for addition, right? But if you start to do subtraction or division, it doesn't work properly, right? So this is just something to help when we're simplifying algebraic expressions. These are little tricks we can do that help. And there's a few laws. And the last one, the distributive law, you can see A times parentheses B plus C is the same as A times B plus A times C. You guys all understand that, right? And it's distributive because it's distributing out. It's making, more. You can count the characters. It's distributed more characters into that equation. All pretty simple stuff. So what I want you guys to do is do some, this is what we're going to call bell work. I want you guys to work with your partner. I'm going to give you guys, everyone, a piece of paper, because we're going to use these for exit slips as well. So everyone's going to get a piece of paper. So you guys are going to work together right now, and I want you, it says right here, simplify and explain what laws / properties you use. So I want you to simplify this, and here's the the laws and properties right up here. So simplify it, and then work together, and make a sentence talking about what properties you use to simplify. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
Okay. And then if you get this, once you finish this, we'll move on. I'll give you guys a couple minutes to do this. It shouldn't take too long. And I want you guys to speak to each other in English, okay? A nice, low level, speak to each other. Remember what I talked about. Here's a hint. You know, this is commutative, is just moving, you know, numbers back and forth. Associative is with groups, right? And we can see here, anyways, have a look and give it a try.
No, that's not the third one. Is it?
Come on, guys. It's okay to talk to each other. Try to explain what happened, what you're doing, and what. And basically what I want you to do is simplify it, and then tell me what property you used, okay? Because there's a property that it's addition. There's no subtraction or division that's here, so it's going to be very straightforward. Yeah?
Do you rip?
No, I didn't, like, those accidents.
Just,
I can just.
yeah, you'll be okay.
No problem.
No problem. Okay, I'll turn on. It's a little bit too dark. We can still see that. Just keep that one off. Okay. So, first thing, there's another test that I want you guys to do. Do you guys remember is everyone finished?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, this is something for me that lets me know really quickly where you guys are. So, remember when I said put your heads down, and then you're gonna put up your fingers. Now, 4 being you understand exactly what property was used. You understand how to simplify how everything went. Everything went very easily. 3, pretty good idea. 2, I'm guessing. I don't know which one really. Maybe. And then 1 being, I'm not sure. I don't know. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
1 being bad, 4 being strong. Put your heads down, please. Raise your hands on this bell work question. Heads down, guys. Raise your hands and show me fingers now. Heads down. 4 being you understand perfectly, 1 no. Heads down, hands up. Let's see. Brian, head down. Okay, so good. So big, okay. Heads up, that's fine. It seems that that was pretty easy. So we're going to go for a dojo point here. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. So we'll start with you, Eric.
Teacher, Thursday is here.
Why? Monday? Oh yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday. I was thinking from Peace and Love because we don't have classes. Sorry, go ahead. Tiffany, what? Hold on a second here. I got to reset the dojo points, guys. Just give me a second. This will just take a second. So, Hope. Genius. Reset. Just 1 second, please select all. Reset points. Boom. Everyone's in first place. Go ahead, Tiffany. Now, tell me what you did here. Just what did you do?
Associative laws.
Associative property or law, yeah. Now, what did you do to simplify? What did you do?
I changed the brackets to 7 plus 8, like grouping.
Yep. So you put 7 plus 8 in the brackets, yes.
So 15 plus 8.
And 15 plus 8. That's it. That's perfect. Does everyone get that?
Yes.
All right. So that's a point. Tiffany, it was associative. Remember we talked about the grouping. Remember this is just individual switching, and the distributive you can see there. You're making more numbers. All right. Point. Tiffany. Okay. So the next thing I want you to do. This is going to involve the paper again. This is just, it's kind of silly, but it's not that silly. What I want you to do is, here. So you have 5x plus x, something pretty simple. But with this equation, I want you to make a drawing, and I want you to sort of tell a story. Do you guys understand?
Yes.
And x, here I give you a little hint, x can be anything you are interested in, right? Do you guys get it?
Yes.
So you have 5x plus x, and then you try and turn that into like a real world story, right? I can give you a hint. Do you guys want a hint?
Yes.
For me, what am I interested in?
Hockey.
So maybe x would be hockey tickets, right?
Yes.
And then there was 5 of us, and then another friend joined. Whatever, just try and that's the biggest hint I'm going to give you. I want you guys to talk to each other and try and make a little story and a little drawing of something that could happen in the real world like this. Talk to each other. What do you like? Ask each other, what do you like? You guys got badminton. He likes Brian.
Yes.
So 5 Brians. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. You can be funny. It doesn't have to be. You know, you guys can make it funny if you want. That's okay. So what did you guys do? Very creative, guys. So where's your picture? Don't forget, guys, a quick picture. Have a little fun, draw a quick picture. So we're going to go around the room really quickly, and I'm just going to ask what's going on. Is anybody finished?
No.
Kevin and Betty, I see that you guys are finished. What did you guys do? What's your creative story that you guys did? What did X represent? Apples? So you had 5 apples and you added 1 apple to make 6 apples? Guys, try and be a little bit more creative. What did you guys do?
There was 5 dragons playing.
Yep.
And one dragon came.
And wanted to join the party. Okay. Dragon party. Very good. What did you guys have?
I had 5 pencils, but Mom bought me a pencil.
Oh, see that? You had 5 pencils, but you brought in, Mom bought you another pencil. That's good. I like it. Yeah, over here.
So I had 5,000 Korea won, and I found 1,001 more on the ground.
Nice. See, this is what we're talking about here. Stories. Very good. Yes.
There are 5 Brian and 1 Brian joining the group, so there are 6 Brian.
So 6 Brians. Lots of Brians. You guys have a cloning machine or something. Go ahead. Next. Yep.
There was Eric, Tim, Brian, Danny, Ryan, 5 boys going trip to Busan, and they went to Daejeon, and they met David, and the 6 boys went to Busan.
So what does X represent?
Boys.
Boys.
Very good. Yeah. Good job. Excellent. All right. So you guys understand.
David.
Good. Okay, that went actually pretty well. All right. So what I want us to do now, we're going to do some work, and you guys can do this work together. I'm going to give you a list of numbers of the questions that you're gonna do. There's going to be a bonus question as well. But the way what I suggest you do,
Yes.
instead of you have a partner. Instead of we're gonna do all the questions. We'll do 1, 2, 3 together. Split it up maybe, right? Split it up. Split the questions up. You do half. The other person does the other half. Then you copy. If you get in trouble, ask your partner. You see what I'm saying? Kind of communicate here to make things easier for you. So the questions I want you to do. Let's start on 636, guys. And I want you to do 1 on 636. 1 on 636, I want you to do A, which we already did, so that's going to be pretty simple. B, which we are D, sorry, which we basically already did. No, just A, D. Then the next page, I want you to do number 1, number 4. 638, I want you doing 1, 4. 639, I want you to do 11, 14. And then I want you to do 36. Then on page 640, I want you to do 38, 40, 46, 47, 50, 51, 52, 56, 58, 63. And I think what I'll do is I'll count. There's going to be a bonus question. Bonus question will be 32. It's about hockey, my favorite. So that'll be the bonus question. And you know what? I'll make 36 the bonus question as well too. So if you guys, if you get them perfectly correct, you're gonna get
4 dojo points.
well, I'm gonna come around, and if you say you have it correct, I'm gonna come around and look, and I'll give you, so anybody who gets this question correct gets a dojo point. So it's not just one person getting the dojo point. Anyone who gets those 2 questions correct gets the dojo points.
4 to 52 Sure.
What?
4, when you're.
Ask Eric. Eric, do you have them? You guys gotta work together. Can you help him out? Yeah?
It says, justify steps, so do we have to?
When you're justifying, what do I want for justification? Remember the properties? Just give me a property that you used, okay? I'm not going to be too upset if you miss a property. If you have the answer, I really care about having the correct answer, but try and get the properties right as well. I'll be lenient with the properties. This book calls them properties. When I grew up learning, they were called laws. So there's just different ways of saying it, but you know what we're talking about. So kind of, split up the work, talk to each other,